If you are looking for some inspiration and guidance to start or grow your own business, reading books by successful entrepreneurs and experts can be a great way to learn from their experiences and insights. In this video, I will share with you 15 of the best business books for beginners that can help you develop the mindset, skills, and strategies you need to succeed in the world of business. These books cover topics such as finding your passion, creating value, marketing, sales, leadership, innovation, and more. Let's get started. 1. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to start a business in the 21st century. It teaches you how to test your ideas, validate your assumptions, and build products that customers actually want. You will learn how to apply the principles of lean thinking and agile development to create a minimum viable product, MVP, measure your progress, and pivot when necessary. 2. The E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. This book is a classic that explains why most small businesses fail and how to avoid the common pitfalls that trap entrepreneurs. You will learn how to work on your business, not in it, and how to create systems and processes that allow your business to run smoothly without your constant involvement. You will also discover the difference between being a technician, a manager, and an entrepreneur, and how to balance these roles. 3. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is one of the best-selling personal finance books of all time. It tells the story of two fathers, one rich and one poor, and how their different attitudes and beliefs about money shape their lives and their children's lives. You will learn how to think like the rich, how to make money work for you, and how to achieve financial freedom. 4. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. This book is a timeless masterpiece that teaches you how to develop the habits that lead to personal and professional success. You will learn how to be proactive, set goals, prioritize, communicate effectively, collaborate with others, and continuously improve yourself. 5. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is based on the author's research of over 500 of the most successful people in history, such as Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and more. You will learn the 13 principles of success that these people followed, such as having a definite purpose, a burning desire, faith, persistence, and more. You will also learn how to overcome the 6 enemies of success, such as fear, procrastination, and negativity. 6. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. This book reveals the science behind how habits work and how they can be changed. You will learn how to identify the cues, routines, and rewards that shape your behavior, and how to use this knowledge to create new habits that support your goals. You will also learn how habits can influence your personal life, your work life, and even your society. 7. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book is a timeless classic in the realm of self-improvement and interpersonal skills. This book, considered a cornerstone in the self-help genre, has garnered immense popularity and acclaim over the years. Its enduring relevance lies in its ability to offer practical and actionable advice on how to navigate human interactions with finesse. Carnegie imparts invaluable wisdom on not only understanding human nature but also influencing it positively. Readers are guided through the art of establishing genuine connections, fostering trust, and eliciting cooperation from others. The book unveils fundamental principles of effective human relations, emphasizing key practices like active listening, offering sincere and genuine praise, and skillfully sidestepping unnecessary conflicts. By internalizing these principles, readers gain powerful insights into building meaningful relationships both in their personal and professional lives. Carnegie's approach transcends time and remains a cornerstone for anyone seeking to enhance their social skills, making it an essential read for beginners and seasoned professionals alike embarking on a journey of personal and professional growth. 8. The $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau. This book is a guide for anyone who wants to start a business with minimal resources and maximum impact. It features dozens of case studies of people who launched successful businesses with little or no money, often from their homes or while traveling the world. You will learn how to find your passion, identify your customers' needs, create value propositions, test your ideas, launch quickly, and grow organically. 9. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. This book is a groundbreaking book that has earned its place among the 15 best business books for beginners. Thiel, a co-founder of PayPal and an influential venture capitalist, offers readers a compelling manifesto for aspiring entrepreneurs eager to forge new paths and make a lasting impact on the world. At its core, The book encourages a departure from the conventional wisdom of merely copying existing ideas and businesses, urging individuals to seek out and create unique opportunities. Thiel underscores the importance of innovation and thinking independently, advocating for the pursuit of groundbreaking ideas that can potentially lead to the creation of monopolies within niche markets. By embracing the concept of going from 0 to 1, readers will gain invaluable insights into how to disrupt industries, foster radical innovation, and shape the future of their respective domains. Through a blend of real-world examples and thought-provoking theories, Thiel provides a blueprint for entrepreneurs to not only succeed but to thrive by challenging the status quo and unleashing their creative potential. Whether you're a novice in the world of business or a seasoned entrepreneur looking for fresh perspectives, 0 to 1 is a must-read that will inspire you to chart your own course and transform groundbreaking ideas into reality. 10. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. This book is a seminal work in the realm of productivity and lifestyle design. Ferriss introduces a paradigm shift in how we approach work and life, advocating for a more efficient and effective use of our time. At its core, this book is a blueprint for liberating oneself from the confines of traditional employment, offering strategies to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and instead, design a life that aligns with one's passions and aspirations. The key tenet of the book lies in the concept of lifestyle design, where Ferriss guides readers on how to identify and prioritize what truly matters to them, and then engineer their life around those priorities. Central to this approach is the art of automation, a practice that involves setting up passive income streams that continue to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Ferriss also champions the power of outsourcing, emphasizing the importance of delegating tasks that do not require your personal touch, thereby freeing up time for higher leverage activities. Moreover, the book encourages a mindset of nomadic entrepreneurship, providing insights on how to run a business while simultaneously exploring the world. Through vivid anecdotes and practical advice, Tim Ferriss inspires readers to take control of their destiny, teaching them how to escape the conventional grind and embrace a life of adventure, fulfillment, and self-determination. 11. Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. This book is a memoir by the founder of Nike, one of the most iconic brands in the world. It tells the story of his journey from selling shoes out of his car trunk to building a global empire. You will learn about his challenges, his failures, his triumphs, and his lessons learned along the way. 12. The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. This book is a simple but powerful guide to achieving extraordinary results in any area of your life. It teaches you how to focus on the one thing that matters most, and how to eliminate distractions and clutter that prevent you from reaching your goals. You will learn how to apply the 80-20 principle, the domino effect, and the focusing question to your daily activities. 13. The Art of the Start 2.0 by Guy Kawasaki. This book is an indispensable addition to any beginner's business bookshelf. Kawasaki, a seasoned entrepreneur and former Apple evangelist, imparts a wealth of practical wisdom in this comprehensive guide. What sets this book apart is its applicability beyond just business ventures. Whether you're launching a nonprofit, initiating a project, or igniting a movement, the principles outlined here are invaluable. This handbook covers an extensive array of topics crucial to the initiation and sustenance of any endeavor. From crafting compelling pitches to securing funding, from assembling the right team to forming strategic partnerships, and from the crucial moment of launch to the ongoing process of marketing, every stage is meticulously addressed. One of the standout strategies introduced is the October 20-30 rule, an effective guideline for presenting ideas that ensures clarity and engagement. Additionally, readers are introduced to the 3 essential P's of a remarkable pitch: personalization, probing, and passion. These insights, combined with the GIST framework, Great Ideas for Startups, provide a solid foundation for transforming your concept into a tangible, thriving reality. In a landscape where ideas often contend with a saturated market, The Art of the Start 2.0 equips beginners with the necessary tools and techniques to not only stand out but also succeed. With Kawasaki's seasoned advice and actionable insights, this book serves as an invaluable roadmap for those venturing into the world of entrepreneurship, innovation, and beyond. 14. The Innovator's Dilemma by Clayton M. Christensen. This book is a landmark study of why some companies succeed and others fail in the face of disruptive innovation. It explains how established companies can become complacent and vulnerable to new entrants who offer cheaper, simpler, or more convenient solutions. You will learn how to recognize and avoid the innovator's dilemma, and how to foster a culture of innovation in your organization. 15. The War of Art by Stephen Pressfield. This book is a motivational guide for anyone who wants to overcome their inner resistance and pursue their creative endeavors. It identifies the enemy as the force of self-doubt, fear, procrastination, and perfectionism that prevents you from doing your work. You will learn how to face this enemy, how to overcome it, and how to unleash your true potential. These are the 15 best business books for beginners that I recommend you to read if you want to start or grow your own business. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Capital Investments for more videos like this. And don't forget to comment below and let me know which book you are going to read next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.